To make raspberry puree, I have taken here 250 grams of fresh raspberries. If you don't have fresh, you can always use frozen. Just thaw them few minutes before you make your sauce or puree. Then here I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, let's make our puree. Into this saucepan, I'm going to add my water, lemon juice, fresh raspberries, and sugar. Mix it all nice. As I'm mixing, I'm crushing it too. Since it's a fresh raspberry, there is no issue of crushing it because they're really soft. So as you can see, I can crush them really easily. Smash it. Let this cook. So as you can see, it has started boiling. So now what I'm going to do is lower the heat and let this simmer on low heat until it thickens. I will let this simmer and I'll be back once it's ready. So now as you can see, it has thickened. So I'm going to turn off the stove. And now we are going to strain this. Don't forget to scrape out the bottom. Now as you can see, I have only seeds left. And then this is the puree. This makes about 3/4 cup of puree, raspberry puree, depending on how much thick you keep. As you can see, my consistency makes almost 3/4 cup of puree. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this recipe with your friends and family. You can keep in the refrigerator for about a week. Just store it into any airtight container.